Hello everyone, at first take my salam, Assalamu alaikum. This is me Shakib Al Hassan. I come from Shirazganj. I have completed my secondary school certificate from Binutia High School and I got GPA 4.59 out of 5. And after that, I have completed my diploma in textile engineering degree from Ahsanullah Institute, where I got CGPA 3.90 out of 4. And now I am passionate student of the Department of Textile Engineering at Daffodil International University. I am currently in my 5th semester and I aim to build a professional career in Bangladesh modern textile sector. From the beginning of my university life, I have tried to take every opportunity to grow as a learner and as a leader. I believe leadership means taking responsibilities, supporting others, and always being ready to learn something new. I have practiced this value while volunteering at the Textile Summit and marathon events, which taught me teamwork, coordination, and event management skills. Not only that, I am involved with Textile Carnival 2023 and 2024. Technically, I am confident in Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for preparing reports, analyzing data, and representing ideas. I also have an interest in photography and videography, which helps me communicate creative concepts visually. Recently, I have been focused on improving my English communication and presentation structure because I believe clear communication is essential for professional success. And also, I am involved with cultural programs. Along with my academic course, I have completed several professional textile courses from GoEdu, which have strengthened my understanding of textile processing, fabric technology, and industrial applications. These online and practical courses have really helped me build extra knowledge beyond my university syllabus. Here are also my certificates, which reflect my continuous learning attitude and commitment to self-development. Besides academics, I actively participate in various extracurricular activities, which help me build teamwork, confidence, and creativity. I am too much excited to share with you guys about me. And thank you so much for watching. I am continuously improving my skills, communication, and professional knowledge with dedication and participate learning. I believe I will become not just an engineer but a skilled leader who make a real impact in textile industry. Thank you.